So for this video, we're going to be looking at SmartArt. Okay, so one of the first things that some people have done in the past, if they are, for example, creating a flowchart or a pyramid look to a chart, or if it's a circle chart. Okay, when I say so, a cyclic chart, should I say? So a food cycle. What some people have always done in the past is gone ahead and made use of the shape options, and if they're going to be making a cycle chart, is go put a circle in, then we go back to insert, create an arrow, there we go back, and it's time consuming. It is super time consuming. So one of the features in Microsoft Word from 2013 and up is SmartArt. So if we come up to here to insert SmartArt, so a SmartArt graphic is visually communicates information, right? The graphics range from graphical lists and process diagrams to more complex graphs such as Venn diagrams and organizational charts. So if we click on the SmartArt option, instantly we are given every single type of SmartArt chart that they have pre-built in. But if we are looking for something specific, we can come here and have a look. Okay, so that gives you an idea on all the types of charts we can make use of. So for now, I spoke about a cyclic process or a food cycle. So let us choose something here. Let us go to basic cycle. Alright, I've selected the basic cycle and I click OK. Alright, over here I can type in my text, so we can go sun, grass, water, animals, humans. Okay, there we go. So I close that down and there we go, our smart chart has been added. But what we can now do is we can go ahead and we can change the look of it. So let us go for, here we go, colorful range, accent 4 to 5. There we go, that's strange enough, almost very close to the colors. We can go ahead and we can change the style of it. Let us make it bird's eye scene. There we go, that's starting to look pretty cool. But now I want to add some more. So what I can do is I can come up here under the design option to add a shape. I can add a shape and I can continue adding shapes. Right? But if I want to move the sun further down, I can come up here, I can move it further down in the cycle. So that is the advantage and the power of SmartArt. It allows us to create shapes or graphical information, and we can go and rearrange everything to fit our need. I'm just going to switch this back to here, to basic, so we can see it. Alright, I'm going to change it back to a decent color that we can read. So there we go. So that there is the power of SmartArt. And if we want, we can change the layout as well. We can change to all the different types of cyclic charts that we have.